Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about how to write the VE Steel program for multiplexer. This is the VE Steel program for 2 to 1 multiplexer. In 2 to 1 multiplexer we have two inputs, one output and one select line. Okay. Here I0 and I1 are inputs. SEL is the select line, Y is the output. Okay, first entity. In the first line we are writing entity name is. In this program multiplexer 2-1 is the entity name, behavior is the architecture name. Okay, so entity multiplexer 2-1 is. You can give any name to entity. Okay, you can use multiplexer 2 or mux 2 or mux. You can use any name. I am using multiplexer 2-1. Next line port. Next I am declaring input output ports of the 2 to 1 multiplexer. Okay, port, open the bracket. I0 and I1 are inputs. I0 comma I1 colon mode in. Next std logic. Std logic means standard logic semicolon. Next SEL. SEL is the select line. So SEL is also one of the input. So SEL colon mode in std logic semicolon Y is the output. So Y colon out std logic. Std logic means standard logic. Next in the third line end entity name. Entity name is multiplexer 2-1. End multiplexer 2-1. Next architecture part. In the architecture part, first line is architecture name of entity name is. In this program behavior is the architecture name, multiplexer 2-1 is the entity name. So architecture behavioral of multiplexer 2-1 is. Next you have to use begin. So I am writing begin. Next I am using process and case statement to define the logic of the 2 to 1 multiplexer. Okay. So process, the first line process, open the bracket, I0 comma I1 comma SEL. I0 I1 SEL all are inputs. Next you have to use begin. Next case statement. Case. Next select line. Select line is SEL. SEL is the select line. Okay. Case SEL is next line when 0 Y is equal to I0. When others then Y is equal to I1. In 2 to 1 multiplexer, if select line is 0, then Y will be I0. If select line is 1, then the output Y will be I1. Okay. So here when SEL is 0, then I0 will be assigned to Y. When SEL is 1. So here I am using when others. I1 will be assigned to the output Y. I am closing case statement, end case. Next I am closing process statement. So end process. In the last line I am closing architecture. So end architecture name. Behavior is the architecture name. So end behavioral. Okay. This is the VE Steel program for 2 to 1 multiplexer. Next we will see about VE Steel program for 4 to 1 multiplexer. In 4 to 1 multiplexer we have 4 inputs, 1 output and 2 select lines. Okay. First entity part. Entity multiplexer 4-1 is the entity name. So So NDT multiplexer 4-1 is. The second line, I am declaring input output ports of the 4-1 multiplexer. In this program, I0, I1, I2 and I3 are inputs. Y is the output. SCL is the select line. Okay. Here you see SCL colon in std logic vector bracket 1 down to 0. Okay. SCL is 2 bits value. So I am using std logic vector 1 down to 0. So first bit is SCL of 1, next bit is SCL of 0. SCL of 1 is the MSB, SCL of 0 is the LSB. Okay. Next end entity name. So end multiplexer 4-1. Next architecture part. Architecture name of entity name is. In this program, behavioral is the architecture name. Multiplexer 4-1 is the entity name. So architecture behavioral of multiplexer 4-1 is. Next you have to use begin. In this program also I am using process and case statement for defining the logic of the 4-1 multiplexer. Okay. Process, open the bracket, I0, I1, I2, I3, SCL. I0, I1, I2, I3 and SCL all are inputs. Next you have to use begin. So I am writing begin. Next case statement. Case SCL is when 0, 0, then y is equal to I0. When 0, 1, y is equal to I1. When 1, 0, y is equal to I2. When others, y is equal to I3. In 4-1 multiplexer, if select line is 0, 0, then the output y will be I0. If the select line is 0, 1, then the output y is equal to I1. If select line is 1, 0, then the output y is equal to I2. If the select line is 1, 1, then the output will be I3. Okay. So here when SCL is 0, 0, I0 will be assigned to y. When SCL is 0, 1, then I1 will be assigned to y. When SCL is 1, 0, I2 will be assigned to y. Next I am writing when others. When others means when SCL is 1, 1, I3 will be assigned to y. Okay. So I am closing case statement. So end case. Next I am closing process statement. So end process. In the last line I am closing architecture, end behavioral. Behavioral is the architecture name. So this is the VHDL program for 4-1 multiplexer. Next we will see about how to write the VHDL program for 8-1 multiplexer. In 8-1 multiplexer, we have 8 inputs, 1 output and 3 select lines. Okay. In this program, multiplexer 8-1 is the entity name. Behavioral is the architecture name. First entity part. Entity name is multiplexer 8-1 is the entity name. So entity multiplexer 8-1 is. Next I am declaring input output ports of the 8-1 multiplexer. Okay. I0 to I7 are inputs. SCL is the select line. Y is the output. In 8-1 multiplexer, select line, that means SCL is 3 bits value. So here I am using std logic vector 2 down to 0. SCL of 2, SCL of 1, SCL of 0. SCL of 2 is the MSB bit. SCL of 0 is the LSB bit. port, open the bracket, I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7 colon, all are input, so in, have to use mode in. Next std logic means standard logic, semicolon. Next I am declaring select line, SCL colon, SCL is one of the input, so mode in. Next SCL is the 3 bits value, so I am using std logic vector. So I am writing std logic vector bracket 2 down to 0. Y is the output, y colon out std logic. Next in the third line you have to write end entity name. Entity name is multiplexer 8-1. So end multiplexer 8-1. Next architecture part. The architecture part, first line is architecture name of entity name is. In this program behavioral is the architecture name, multiplexer 8-1 is the entity name. So architecture behavioral of multiplexer 8-1 is. Next you have to use begin. So I am writing begin. In this program also I am using process and case statement for defining the logic of the 8-1 multiplexer. So process bracket I0, I1, I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7, SCL. Next you have to use begin. So I am writing begin. Next case statement. Okay. Case SCL is when 0, 0, 0, then y is equal to I0. When 0, 0, 1, then y is equal to I1. When 0, 1, 0, y is equal to I2. When 0, 1, 1, y is equal to I3. When 1, 0, 0, then y is equal to I4. When 1, 0, 1, then y is equal to I5. When 1, 1, 0, then y is equal to I6. When others, then y is equal to I7. In 8-1 multiplexer, if select line is 0, 0, 0, then y is equal to I0. If select line is 0, 0, 1, then the output y is equal to I1. If the select line is 0, 1, 0, then the output y is equal to I2. Similarly, if the select line is 1, 1, 0, then the output y will be I6. If the select line is 1, 1, 1, then the output y will be I7. Okay. So here when SCL is 0, 0, 0, then I0 will be assigned to y. When SCL is 0, 0, 1, then I1 will be assigned to y. When SCL is 0, 1, 0, then I2 will be assigned to y. Likewise, when SCL is 1, 1, 0, I6 will be assigned to the output y. The last line I am writing when others. When others means when SCL is 1, 1, 1, then I7 will be assigned to the output y. Okay. I am closing case statement. So end case. Next I am closing process statement. So you have to use end process. In the last line I am closing architecture. End behavioral. Behavioral is the architecture name. Okay, this is the VSTL program for 8-1 multiplexer. Okay, thank you.